welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial using some new products I never used. I am going to be using the Makeup Revolution Division palette. It is kind of a dupe for some new palettes that people have really been liking, but this one is only $7. I also have a new highlighter from the NYX holiday collection and a NYX butter gloss, which I never used, which is like everybody's favorite lip gloss. So we're going to give this a try today. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, make sure you subscribe. The first thing I'm going to do is take the Makeup Revolution concealer and use this as my eye base. I've really liked this technique lately. I never really used concealer as a primer before, so I'm just going to put this on my lid and then blend it out with my finger. Now going into the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division palette. It is a dupe for, I think, two of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault palettes. You can kind of tell there's a lot of like sparkly greens and golds and things that are similar to that palette. So we're going to try this out. I already did it on this eye, obviously. So I know how it performs, but I'm going to show you guys. So taking a Sigma pencil brush, I am just going to use this kind of olivey green color at the top. And I'm just using a pencil brush, and we are going to put this on the crease kind of bone area. And this is going to be our transition color. So now I'm going in with my Delium Tools blending brush, and we're just going to buff this out. Now that I have blended out, I'm going to go in again because the color kind of blends away unless you add multiple layers. So I'm just taking the same brush and going back in with the same color to give it a little bit more pigmentation. In with another pencil brush, I'm going back into the same palette and dipping into the dark green here on the end. And we're going to add this to the crease just to add some depth. So now taking a Duo Fiber Morphe 429, I am going to blend this green out just so that it's not so in your face and competing with other colors, but we still have a nice kind of mossy green. For the lid, I am taking this kind of half circle brush, and I'm going into this mustard yellow color, and we're going to pack this on the lids. I really like the way the green and the yellow blend together because it creates like this really nice chartreuse color kind of right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they blend together so nicely you don't need to put like another color in between. On top of that, I'm going in with this kind of bronzy gold, and I am using a dry brush, and we're going to pack that on top of the yellow. Now going in with a fluffy brush, I'm going into this duochrome kind of white color at the top, and we're going to put this on the brow bone. Just as a little bit of highlight and to blend the edges out in that other eye. I'm going to throw on some liquid liner. I didn't make it too thick on the other eye, so I'm going to try and keep it that way on this eye. I'm going to pop on one of these Velour Effortless lashes in Would I Lie. These are my favorite lashes, and they're super easy to put on, and I, of course, I'm using my favorite lash glue, the Velour Lash Glue. And now I'm just going to blend with a little bit of It Superhero Mascara. I'm going to go back into the palette real quick and take a little bit of that olive green we used initially on a pencil brush and smudge it underneath the lower lash line. Now I'm going to do my eyebrow with the Goof Proof pencil from Benefit. Alright, so now it's time to finish off the face that we're done with the eyes. I'm going into my Z palette. I know it's been a while since I've dipped in, but we are going to go into this blush right here with a Clinique brush. And I'm pretty sure that is Promise Ring from Makeup Geek. Going in with this new highlighter I got. It's Pop and Rock highlighter from the NYX Advent Calendar, which I got on Black Friday, and it is this really pretty purpley color. So I am going to take the same brush and just pick up a little bit of this, and we're going to see how this looks. And for the last step, I'm going to put on some NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the color Glazy Days, and it's kind of a dark nude. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell for lots more videos from me this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.